How to add a subscribed calendar on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then you need to go to the website that has the subscribe calendar that you want to add. For example, on this website here, I have the US holidays. So I'm going to copy the URL. So I'm copy that to the clipboard. Then go back to the home screen and tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Next tap on calendar, then tap on calendar accounts. And in here, tap on add account. Then we choose other and then tap on add subscribe calendar. And in the server, I'm going to touch and hold into that and then tap on paste. This will paste the URL from the server. Then tap on next. And let's say cannot create account and identical subscribe calendar already exists, so I already add in the same calendar. So I'll need to add in a different calendar, so I'll find something else to add in. Okay, so here I'll select a different calendar and I go back into my subscribe calendar, and here I will paste in the new link, then tap on next. And still an identical subscribe calendar account already exists, so I'll perhaps give it another name, number 2, and then tap on next. So perhaps the URL is the same. So here, as you can see, if I go to my subscribe calendars, I already have the same information in here. So they are not happy, so I will select a different calendar. Okay, here I will select a different URL and I'll copy the address to clipboard, awareness day. And in here, I'm going to again go into other and tap on add subscribe calendars. This time I'll use a different URL and then tap on next. In here, we've got awareness days. You can also change the description of your calendar. After that, tap on saved. And that's it. Now, if you tap on subscribe calendars, it will show your subscribe calendars in here. So if you go back to your calendar and then tap on calendars down here, so we have subscribe calendars in kind of pinkish and yellow. So tap on done. So look for yellow color. Any yellow color is a Wednesday calendar. So here we've got short tail day at work day. So that is how you can add in a subscribe calendar on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.